In this video, we will discuss assignment operators. JavaScript supports the following assignment operators. First is simple assignment. It has an equal to sign. What it does is we assign a value to something, we assign a plus b the value of c. Next is add an assignment. In this, c equals to plus a. We assign c the value of c plus a. There is a value in c. There is a value in a. The answer of these two will be assigned to c. Subtract an assignment. In the same way, c equals to c minus a. The same is in multiply. C equal to c multiplied by a. C equal to c divided by a. The same is in modulus. The next is conditional operator. In conditional operator, the conditional operator works like if or else. If or else will be discussed in the future lectures. In this, we have a question mark. If the condition is true, then value x, otherwise value y is printed, or whatever the condition is. You will understand this better when we will apply it practically. Let's go to the next example. Here I have taken three variables. One is 10, one is 20, and one is for line break. So here in conditional operator, the condition is checked first of all. There I have applied the condition, which is the syntax. The condition I have applied is what is to be done if a is greater than b. First, it checks the condition, which is before the question mark. Then it will check. If our a is greater than b, it will print 100. Otherwise, it will print 200 in the result. So here the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So is 10 greater than 20? No, it is not. So instead of 100, it will print 200. So let's run this. It has printed 200. Next, we'll reverse this condition. We will use less instead of greater. So here, condition A is put first. A is less than B, so 10 is less than 20. So it will print 100. There are two colons. After this, the condition is based on else. If this would have been false, it would have been 200. My first condition was true, so it printed 100. If we go here, it has printed 100. So this is its syntax and parentheses are a must. This is all for this video.